Dear students, in this video I am going to explain computer language. That means how we can talk with the computer. So we need certain languages. If two human beings meeting together, definitely they will communicate with each other by using the language. It may be Hindi, Telugu, English, or any other regional language. Okay, so to express their feelings, they will use language to communicate with others. Okay, in the same way, if suppose computer and one human being are meeting together, definitely for their interaction we need certain language. So that is called computer language. Okay, if the human being speaks in either Hindi or English or some other language, computer cannot understand it directly. So that the language which can be understood by the computer is called computer language. So several languages are developed. So the languages which are used to communicate with a computer are called computer languages. So how can we define it? It is a group of instructions. That means we are communicating in the sense we are giving certain group of instructions that are used to create computer programs, which is used to create computer programs. So that is called the computer language. Main aim is to human being as well as computer has to interact with each other. So through certain set of programs only they can interact. That is called the computer language. Next we are going to discuss about what are the types of computer languages we have. Okay, so now we have two types of languages, low level language and high level language. So in the low level language also, first one is machine language, second one is assembly language. So first the machine language, we are going to discuss about the machine language with its example. So machine can understand only two things, that is binary digits. So binary digits is nothing but zeros and ones. Okay, 0 and 1. The computer can understand only zeros and 1. And next they developed the assembly language. So in that assembly they used the English language only, but they will give certain sort of commands, add, subtract, like that. And then high level language, generally high level language means the person who can understand, the human being can understand this language, and it should be converted to the low level language. So let us see one by one in detail. So first one is low level language. Actually low level language means, already I said, it is only of zeros and ones, that is binary digits, and in first and second generation they used only the low level language. So it is easily understandable by the computer, but for human beings it is very hard. Next, the low level languages are divided into two types. One is machine level language and another one is assembly language. So machine level language is nothing but it is the type of low level language. It is used in the oldest computer, first and second generation they used this language. Machine language is developed only by using the binary numbers, zeros and 1. So if you see the code, it will be like this only, 1 0 1 0 1 0, like that only it will be. So by seeing this, normal human being cannot understand what kind of coding is written, and is it the instruction or is it the data or is it the error, nothing we can understand by seeing the zeros and ones. Next, they developed the assembly language. Assembly language is little bit advancement of the machine language. Actually, assembly languages use certain symbols, that is certain sort of commands, popularly known as mnemonics in the computer technology, to give the instructions. Comparatively, writing the program in assembly language is little bit understandable to the human than the machine language. Machine language means only 1010, like that only it will be, but assembly language means somewhat they can understand, human being can understand. For example, load, clear, move, like that, push, like that it is there, so that the human being can understand, but it is difficult for the machine to understand. Now you see this diagram, easily you can understand it. So different programming languages, first one is machine language. You see only 0 1s are there, and here certain commands, that is mnemonics, are there, move, like that. Okay, and here this is the program which is written in the English language. So that is called the high level language, that can be easily understandable by the human being. So examples for this is C, Java, Python, etc. So assembly language code will be converted into machine language. That is what very important. Directly if you use assembly language, the computer cannot understand. So it should be converted into the machine language. So that is called assembler. So assembler is the tool to convert assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand, and it converts assembly language into binary digits. Next we are going to discuss high level language. Just now I said high level language is nothing but the English. Generally we are going to use the English language are designed to make the program very easier as well as less error free. If anywhere error is there, easily we can find out because it is written in the English language only. So which uses certain words and commands along with the symbols and numbers. So the keywords which is used in high level language are similar to English words, already I said. So it can be easily understandable by the human. So when compared with the low level language. So examples for high level languages: C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, C hash, PHP, like this. The list will be going on, right? So this is what computer language. How the high level languages are converted into machine language, for that we need translators. That we will discuss in the next video. So if you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.